Hi, it's Stacy here at MB Stone, and our question today comes from Chad. I have Carrara marble in my bathroom, on the counters and the floor. For the floor, what is the best way to clean the tile and grout? When you're looking for a daily cleaner for your floors, we typically recommend the MB1, which is a great no-rinse floor cleaner that can be used as often as needed on all kinds of stones, as well as wood, porcelain, ceramic, and other hard surfaces. If you have some heavily soiled grout lines that you're looking to clean, we have the MB2, which is like a heavy-duty tile and grout cleaner. It comes with a soiling level chart so that you can dilute the product accordingly to what your soiling level is. Just be sure to rinse this one off after use. And for the counters, what is the best product to clean and protect? When you're looking for a daily cleaner to clean your natural stone countertops, whether they're honed or polished, you want to use something that's pH neutral so that you don't damage the stone. The MB5 is a great daily cleaner for all your natural stone counters. It can also be used on fixtures and mirrors, so it goes a long way, pretty versatile product. After you get everything cleaned up and everything looks good, you always want to seal your stone. The MB24 is a great sealer for porous stones because it actually absorbs into the pores of the stone and adds protection from within. What that does is actually give you a grace period to clean up any spills before it stains the stone. That's it for today. Be sure to stay tuned next Friday for our next FAQ. Also be sure to like us or share our videos if you found it educational. You can find us on Instagram and Facebook at MB Stone Care.